heaven. And by the time that Daniel got to the lion's den, the angels had to change the nature of lions and made them lay down and act like lambs. Swift. Whatever your mental attitude is, has a lot to do with what you're going to be and how successful you are in your efforts. Now, in other words, if you think you are a grasshopper, that's exactly what you are. If you think you are too weak, you are too weak.
Well, you must drink a lot of coffee being a priest, huh?